Hi, welcome to Math Wizards. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add and subtract the fractions with same denominator and how to add and subtract the fractions with different denominators along with some examples. Okay, let's get into the video. So, today we are learning how to add and subtract the fractions. So, to add or subtract fractions, they must have the same denominator. No matter whether the denominators of the fractions are same or different, we have to convert the fractions denominators into the same denominator and then we will add. If the denominators are already same, then we will simply add the numerators. Okay, so let's see some examples on addition and subtraction of fractions. 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. Here already denominators are same. So we will simply add the numerators. 2 plus 1 is 3 and the denominator as it is. While the denominators are same, we do not add the denominators because denominator represents the total number of parts. And here 2 upon 5 means 2 parts out of 5 parts. 1 upon 5 means 1 part out of 5 parts. So here 5 parts are there and the fractions are split into 2 upon 5 and 5 upon 5. Here the total is, when we are adding these two fractions, we only add the numerator. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 upon 5. 5 as it is we write. Let's see one more example. 8 upon 20 plus 3 upon 20. Here the denominator of the two fractions again same. So it is 20. Denominator will be 20. Now let's add the numerators. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 upon 20 is answer. The same way we do the subtraction also. When the denominators are same for subtracting two fractions, we write the denominator as it is. We subtract the numerators. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 upon 6. Here if it is addition, we add. If the denominators are same, we simply add the numerators. While subtracting, if the denominators are same, we simply subtract the numerators. Let's see one more example. 11 upon 13 minus 9 upon 13. Here denominator is same. So we directly write down the denominator as it is. 11 minus 9 is 2. So answer is 2 upon 11. Okay. When the denominators are same, we simply subtract the numerators and then we will write down the denominator as it is. What if the denominators are different? Let's learn how to add and subtract the fractions when they have different denominators. First question is 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5. Here both the fractions are having different denominators. We can add the fractions into two ways. Method 1 is we can find out the LCM. We will convert these two fractions into same denominator. We will add. Otherwise, find out the equivalent fraction for both the fractions. Method 2 is equivalent fractions. Method 1 first let's learn. Denominators are 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are prime numbers. The LCM rule is if the numbers are prime numbers, LCM of the two numbers is their product. Here the LCM is product of both the denominators because 3 and 5 are both prime numbers. Their LCM is 15 because 3 times 5 is 15. Now let's convert the fractions with same denominator. LCM is 15. Let's write down the numerator 1 times 3 times how much is 15? 3 times 5 is 15. 3 is the denominator. Denominator times how much is 15? 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus in the second fraction 2 is the numerator times denominator 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So here 1 times 5 is 5 plus 2 times 3 is 6 upon 15. 5 plus 6 is 11 upon 15. So 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5. Answer is 11 upon 15. Method 2 is easy. And quickly we can do, we will convert both fractions into in its equivalent fractions, and then we will add it. Equivalent fractions we will convert by multiplying it. Let's see here. 1 upon 3 times the another fraction denominator. 1 upon 3 times 5, which is 5 upon 15. The other fraction 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 is the second fraction, and we have to multiply with the first fraction denominator, which is 3. 2 times 3 is 6, 5 times 3 is 15. Now here also we got denominator 15, and both the fractions we will add now. 5 upon 15 plus 6 upon 15, which is nothing but 11 upon 15. Let's see another question. 3 upon 10 plus 6 upon 7. Here the denominators are different. 10 is a composite number, 7 is a prime number. If we observe, 7 is prime number, factors are only 1 and 7. And 10 is a composite number, but the factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. They do not have any common factors except 1. That means they are co-prime numbers, because even though 10 is not a prime number, both 10 and 7 do not have any common factors. That means the two numbers are co-prime numbers. Now co-prime numbers LCM is also their product, the numbers product. Here both 10 and 7 are co-primes, so LCM is their product. Let's multiply 10 times 7, which is 70. So the first method is LCM is 70, and then 3 times 10 times 7 is 70, plus numerator 6 times 7 times how much is 70? 7 times 10, which is 3 times 7 is 21, plus 60 upon 70, which is nothing but 81 upon 70. So the answer is 81 upon 70. Okay. The other way is cross multiplication. 3 upon 10 times the other fraction denominator is 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 7 times 10 is 70. 6 upon 7, other fraction denominator 10, which is 60 upon 70. If we add these two fractions, 21 upon 70 plus 60 upon 70, which equals to 81 upon 70. We got our answer. The same way, we will do the subtraction of two fractions. Here, let's solve 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 11. Denominators 7 and 11. Again, these two are prime numbers. Prime numbers, LCM is their product only. So 7 times 11 is 77. 1 times 7 times 11 minus 1 times 11 times 7, which is 11 minus 7 upon 77, which is nothing but 4 upon 77. So 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 11 is 4 upon 77. That's the answer. Let's subtract one more fraction. 3 upon 4 minus 6 upon 15. Here the denominators are 4 and 15. They are not prime numbers. Both denominators are composite numbers only. Let's take the LCM. The first method is LCM. Second method is convert into equivalent fractions. So LCM of 4 and 15. What do we do? Let's solve the LCM by using the prime factorization. So 15 factors are only 3 and 5, and 4 prime factors are only 2 and 2. Here we do not have any common factors, so let's multiply all of them. All the factors are 3 times, 5 times, 2 times 2, which is nothing but 60. If we observe, these two denominators do not have any common factors, that means their LCM is their product only. 15 times 4 is 60. Because in the prime factors, we do not have any common factors. And if we do not have any common factors, their LCM is their product. Now 3 times 4 times 15 is 60, minus 6 times 15 times 4 is 60, which is nothing but 45, 24 upon 60. 45 minus 24, which is how much? 21 upon 60. 21 upon 60 is the answer. Still, we can convert this into lowest form. 21 upon 60 is the answer. I hope you understand how to add and subtract the fractions when they have same denominators and when they have different denominators. Let's solve this question B, D and A and check your answers are correct or not in the description. So far we had seen how to add and subtract the fractions with different denominators and also same denominators. I hope you understand the video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Thank you.